Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll teach you how to use and install VsCode. Let's get started. First type VsCode in Google, click on the link. Then for Windows user, click on this download. There are many options for many different users, so as I'm using Windows, so click on Windows. It's being downloaded. Once completed the setup, I will install it. As the setup is completed, I have clicked on it. Accept the agreement. Add these two buttons and next. Wait for installation. The setup is being installed. No. Finish and wait for launch. So this is the interface of the VS Code. We will work here for using HTML and CSS code. Thanks for watching.